The alarm clock buzzes, signaling the start of a brand new day. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, the world outside still cloaked in the soft hues of dawn. A new day begins, full of possibilities and opportunities waiting to be seized. Our 3D printing engineer, let's call her Sarah, rises from bed, feeling the gentle warmth of the morning sun on her face. She knows today will be filled with exciting challenges and innovations, each one a step towards her goals.
I make my bed, a simple act that sets the tone for a productive day. It's a small victory that gives me a sense of accomplishment right from the start. Starting with order is important to me, and it extends to my engineering work. Every detail matters, from the precision of the 3D printer to the final product.
With a clear mind, Sarah heads to the kitchen, ready to fuel her body and mind for the day ahead. She prepares a light breakfast, savoring the aroma of freshly brewed coffee. The first sip is always the best, a moment of pure bliss. This quiet morning routine is crucial. It's a time for reflection and planning, a moment to gather her thoughts before the hustle and bustle begins. It allows her to mentally prepare for the day ahead, setting her intentions and visualizing the tasks she needs to accomplish. Sarah takes a few minutes to jot down her thoughts in a journal. This practice helps her stay focused and organized, ensuring that no brilliant idea slips through the cracks. She then spends a few moments stretching, feeling the tension melt away from her muscles. Sometimes she even indulges in a short yoga session to center herself. Standing by the window, she takes a deep breath, appreciating the beauty of the morning. The world is waking up and so is she, ready to embrace whatever comes her way. A quick glance at her calendar reminds her of the day's agenda. Meetings, project deadlines, and creative brainstorming sessions fill her schedule. With a confident smile, Sarah feels prepared. She knows that with the right mindset, she can tackle any challenge and make the most of every opportunity. As she steps out the door, she carries with her the promise of a day well spent, a day where she will push boundaries and innovate. The city awakens, and so does Sarah, ready to contribute her unique talents to the world. Today is not just another day, it's a new opportunity to grow, learn, and succeed. As she sips her coffee, Sarah reviews her schedule and project notes. She visualizes the day's tasks. This mental preparation is key to her success.
Today, I am working on a new prototype for a medical device. It's a complex project. Lives depend on its success. The weight of this responsibility fuels my determination.
Coffee finished, Sarah gathers her things. She's eager to get to the lab. The world of 3D printing awaits. She's ready to turn ideas into reality. Arriving at the lab, Sarah greets her colleagues. The atmosphere is electric. Everyone shares a passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
I boot up my computer, and the familiar interface of my CAD software appears. This is my digital canvas. Here, I transform imagination into intricate 3D models.
Using the CAD software, Sarah manipulates shapes, adds details, and refines the design. Precision is paramount. Every click and drag brings her closer to a printable model. With the design nearing completion, Sarah shifts her focus to material selection. This is a critical decision. The material will dictate the object's strength, flexibility, and functionality.
I analyze the project requirements. Durability is crucial, so is biocompatibility, as the device will interact with the human body. The right material is out there.
After careful consideration, Sarah selects a medical-grade titanium alloy. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, perfect for the task at hand.
Section 5. Collaboration Station, the power of teamwork.
3D printing might seem like a solitary endeavor, but it thrives on collaboration.
Sarah joins her team for their morning meeting.
They gather around a large table.
The team reviews the project goals.
They discuss potential challenges and brainstorm solutions.
Open communication is encouraged.
Every voice matters.
This collaborative spirit is what Sarah loves about her job.
It's not just about technology.
It's about people working together to achieve something remarkable.
Section 6. From digital to physical, the magic of 3D printing, the meeting concludes. The team has spent weeks meticulously planning every detail of this project. From the initial concept sketches to the final digital design, every step has been a collaborative effort. The engineers are excited to see their hard work come to fruition. It's time to bring the digital design to life. The digital design is a complex structure, carefully crafted using advanced software. The engineer double-checks every parameter, ensuring that the design is perfect and ready for printing. This stage is crucial, as any mistake here could affect the final product. I carefully export the 3D model and send it to the 3D printer. This process involves converting the digital design into a format that the 3D printer can understand. It's a delicate task that requires precision and attention to detail. Once the file is ready, it's sent to the printer and the real magic begins.
The printer whirs to life, its internal mechanisms humming with energy. The anticipation in the room is palpable as everyone watches the machine come to life. This is the moment they've all been waiting for, its nozzle extruding molten titanium alloy layer by layer. It's mesmerizing to watch. The material flows smoothly, forming the base of the object. Each layer is meticulously placed, building up the structure with incredible precision. The process is both fascinating and hypnotic. A physical object emerges from the digital realm. It's a tangible representation of the team's hard work and creativity. The object takes shape slowly but surely, each layer adding to its complexity and beauty. It's a testament to the power of modern technology and human ingenuity. The printing process takes several hours. During this time, the team remains vigilant, monitoring the printer's progress. They know that patience is key, as rushing the process could lead to errors. The time-lapse footage captures the gradual formation of the object, highlighting the intricate details that make it unique. Sarah monitors its progress, making sure everything runs smoothly. She checks the printer's settings, ensuring that the temperature and speed are optimal. Her expertise is crucial in this stage, as any deviation could compromise the quality of the final product. Anticipation builds with each passing moment. The team watches intently, knowing that their efforts are about to be realized. The room is filled with a sense of excitement and accomplishment. As the final layers are added, the object is complete, and the team celebrates their success.
Section 7 Quality Control, ensuring precision and excellence. Finally, the printing is complete. The device emerges, still warm from the process, but my work is far from over. Quality control is paramount.
Using precision instruments, Sarah meticulously inspects the device. She checks for dimensional accuracy and examines its surface finish. Everything must be perfect. Even the smallest flaw could compromise the device's functionality. Sarah's attention to detail is unwavering. Lives depend on it.
Section 8. Real-world applications 3D printing's impact. After rigorous testing, the device meets all specifications. I feel a surge of pride. My work will make a real difference in the world.
The applications of 3D printing are vast. From medical devices to aerospace components, from customized prosthetics to architectural models, the possibilities are endless. Sarah's work is helping to shape the future. It's a rewarding thought that motivates her every day.
Section 9. The rewards of innovation, shaping the future. In the ever-evolving world of technology, innovation is the key to progress. Every day, we push the boundaries of what's possible, exploring new frontiers and creating solutions that were once thought to be unattainable. As the day winds down, I reflect on my work. The journey of innovation is not just about the end product, but about the process, the challenges, and the breakthroughs along the way. Each project brings its own set of obstacles, but overcoming them is what makes the work so fulfilling. It's challenging, demanding, and incredibly rewarding. The late nights, the meticulous adjustments, and the constant learning are all part of the journey. Every tweak and modification brings us one step closer to perfection, and the satisfaction of seeing a project come to life is unparalleled. I'm at the forefront of a technological revolution. Being part of a team that is shaping the future is both an honor and a responsibility. We are not just creating objects, we are crafting the future, one layer at a time. The impact of our work extends beyond the lab, influencing industries and improving lives.
The world of 3D printing is constantly evolving. New materials, new techniques, new possibilities. Each advancement opens up a new realm of potential, allowing us to create more complex and functional designs. The rapid pace of innovation in this field is both exciting and inspiring. Sarah is excited to be a part of it all. She sees the endless possibilities that 3D printing offers and is driven by the desire to explore and innovate. For her and many others in the field, this is more than just a career. It's a calling.
For me, it's not just a job. It's a passion. The joy of creating something tangible from a digital design is indescribable. It's about turning ideas into reality and seeing the tangible results of our hard work and creativity. It's about pushing boundaries, solving problems, and making a real difference in the world. Each project is an opportunity to innovate, to find new solutions, and to contribute to the advancement of technology. The sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing our creations being used and appreciated is what drives us forward, and that's what makes it all worthwhile. The journey of innovation is filled with highs and lows, but the rewards far outweigh the challenges. Being part of a community that is dedicated to pushing the limits of what's possible is incredibly fulfilling. Together, we are shaping the future, one innovation at a time.